So the labs is in effect, it's basically a scaled, learn, expert-led, and driven product mini team. And it's built to accelerate innovation. We enable these types of structures with any client. It doesn't matter how, what the scale and maturity of their product organization is, but essentially the design principles of a labs team are: we're going to innovate further, faster. We're going to predict the future. We're going to tackle hard problems. We're going to manage the objectives and key results. So as an organization comes up with goals, we're going to manage those goals. We're going to speed up delivery and increase brand trust from the customer experience. And Impact brings a partnership to this. It's not just client team members, it's also Impact team experts. And the idea is to build a full stack of designers and tech, the front-end developers, back-end engineers, database experts, infrastructure specialists, and that labs initiative would ultimately have a client manager. But effectively what we're building is a product, a well-functioning product org. And then for those members of the client that are working within the labs effort, we teach them to fish so that at some point when we roll back from the structure, that the client can continue this framework moving forward.
We really want to make sure our clients don't have to think too much about it. It's like, let us develop the POC, let us put this together. We're going to communicate with you every step of the way, but it has to be something that is frictionless for them. It's not a stress addition for them, but it's actually like, hey, let's keep this think tank running and let them work out the hard problems. They've done this before. We've got the expertise, and we'll do it in the best way, in the most efficient way possible, so that way you can keep the lights on and keep going.
Yeah, and it's like I say, it's a partnership. We bring expertise to fill gaps, and the client understands their problem. And so in creating a lab structure, it really is a true example of us partnering with our clients so that they feel like we've got their back, and then we're helping them. We're also teaching them the correct processes to get to innovation faster. So now we're off to the races. We've got our labs team formulated. And so the next step is to build a solid design foundation so that the work that we're doing, not just with the 5 minutes or less experience, but across the platform in the future, the work that we're doing in making this happen isn't lost, and it can easily be extended to the rest of the organization as they scale. So we set out to create an initiative around building a standardized set of design components that can be used in cutting the time to develop applications for any piece of their platform in half. The key to a successful handoff of any design documentation is what we call living documentation. And here's an example of it. What you see is, instead of static mock-ups, we're building basically a complete design system that has actual interactive components built into it. Each component that we're looking at here, is not just defining what the visual design is, but how each component works, how accessible it is to audiences, especially those with disabilities, and any technical constraints. So really what a design system is it's a single source of truth that reduces redundancy, it reduces tech and design debt. And what we find ROI on a design system, is that it really saves about 30 to 50% development time, as well as design team time. So over the long haul, it keeps the UX consistent and efficient so that the organization can focus on solving problems instead of solving operational and implementation problems.
I'm curious, in video games, cheat codes let you skip months of grinding to unlock special abilities instantly. Have you ever wished for something similar for your software challenges? What if there's a way to instantly access 20 plus years of specialized expertise instead of developing it all internally? What if you could solve in weeks what might otherwise take months or years? Would you agree that most organizations face a steep learning curve when implementing new software solutions? At my company Impact, we serve as that cheat code for companies looking to transform complex software into intuitive experiences that users love and that drive real business results. Would it be valuable to explore? And how might this work for your specific situation? Visit impact.io for a free strategy session focused on your unique challenges.